How to redeem a Google Play gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to redeem a Google Play gift card. It's a simple process, so follow along. Redeeming a Google Play gift card is straightforward. Once you open the Play Store and you're signed into your Google account, ensure that you're signed in by checking your icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your icon and a menu will appear. Among these categories, navigate to Payments and Subscriptions. Upon reaching this page, you will see the option to redeem a code. Tap on Redeem Code and enter the code. The correct Google account you are signed in will be displayed at the top of the code input box. You can also scan the gift card using your camera. After entering a valid code or scanning it, the balance will be added to your Google account immediately. The balance can be used to purchase items in the Play Store, and you can repeat this process as many times as needed. If you encounter any issues, double-check the code for errors, and if the problem persists, consider contacting the customer support as a last resort. I hope this guide on redeeming a Google Play gift card was helpful. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.